What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're talking about fitness and working out in Cambodia. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight with AVSE. Make people live to see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Okay, so currently I'm here in Cambodia and I'm in Kampot. It's a small town by the riverside down the south end of Cambodia. And today we're talking about where are the type of places where you could do fitness and working out, how much does it cost, and also a couple places where you could work out for free. Alright, let's get into it. For exercising or taking long walks or going for a jog, it's tough to just go around the block in your own neighborhood because there's so many little motorbikes whipping by and everything. So what a lot of people do is you would go to a place kind of like this, like a riverside area where there's a wide walkway, you can see behind me, and it stretches in front too. Or there's a few parks, like for example in Phnom Penh you can go to the Independence Monument and the Statue of the King, and it's a big park where you could people walk around it and do laps around it, and even running clubs come and they run pretty fast and they show up all together at the same time and do laps around the park. And sometimes in these parks, they're made of like flat tiles, just like this ground I'm walking on now, and it'll be a big, wide open square. And people meet there at nighttime, and it almost looks like a flash mob. It'll be like a big, large group of people, all spaced out perfectly even, standing apart from each other. And they're almost synchronized aerobic dancing to like music all together. And that's how some people stay fit. And around that you'll see kids and groups of young people kicking around a little ball. They call it playing footy. And sometimes you'll see people, it looks like a little badminton birdie, but it's a little bit thicker, and they kick it like a hacky sack, and they can even like kick it behind their back and it comes around the front, and they kick around this thing back and forth. And these are a few of the ways I've seen the locals here and expats alike like coming together in these public, wide open places to get their exercise and get their fitness. The other free way you could work out and get some fitness in your life is to find an outdoor public gym, which they have right behind me here. Let's take a closer look at it. So this is just past the Seahorse along the riverside in Kampot, and there's all these different exercise equipment out here. Here's like a rowing machine, I think. So on a lot of these, you're just using the resistance of your own body weight. All right, let's try a couple of these things, and we'll do it the only way we know how. A fitness montage. So if you look for these public outdoor workout spots, you can use your own body weight as resistance and work out for free. Now, if you're more serious about working out and you need the proper machines and you want somewhere where you can go every day and be a member at a club, those exist here as well. In Kampot, there's about 5 or 6 different gyms, and there's one right close by right here. So let's go take a look at what that looks like. So it's called VK Fitness and Coffee. Let's go in there. They're blasting music, so I'll have to replace the audio. Here are the prices. So they have a different price if you're using the treadmill or not using a treadmill. So if you come in, just drop in for one time, it's $1 without the treadmill or $1.60 with the treadmill. Monthly, it's $17.50 a month if you're not using the treadmill, or $35 a month if you do use a treadmill. And then they've got quarterly and 6-month and yearly prices too. Yeah, to sum it up, there's plenty of places to work out or get your fitness in here, and even if you become a member at a proper club, it's dirt cheap compared to back home. So there's no excuse to get off your butt and start exercising. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.